Yeah, next question. We'll go to next question. That is, find algebraic equation of degree 4 whose roots are translates of the roots. Here, fourth degree equation. Fourth degree equation whose roots are translates of roots of 4x power 4 plus 32 x cube plus 32 plus 32. Wait a minute. Okay, right. Wait a minute. The problem. Okay. So this is 32x cube plus 83 x square plus 76x plus 21 equal to 0 by 2 translates. Now what is the question? Question is, find fourth degree equation whose roots are translates of the roots of this equation by 2. Translates of the translates means what? Simply it is translates means now roots became alpha 1 plus 2, alpha 2 plus 2, like this. Translates means roots became added by 2. Translates means simply added. This each root is added by 2. So alpha 4 plus 2, like this. Each root is added by 2. When each root is added by 2, what is the equation? The required equation is f of x minus 2 equal to 0. F of x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, now what you should do process is x equal to, you should take minus 2 only, because to find out f of x minus 2 equal to 0, you have to express f of x in terms of f of x, you have to express in terms of x plus 2 whole power 5 whole power 4 a naught plus a1 into x plus 2 whole power 3. You have to express in terms of x plus 2. If you have to express in terms of x plus 2, x equal to minus 2 you should take, and then you have to do the process. Like before one, you have to do the process. Okay, hope you understand that one. Okay. Okay, let's take this example. Here, transform the equation x power 4 plus 8x cube plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Transform it so that here third degree, okay, x cube term is absent. X cube term is absent. Okay, x cube term. So now we have to transform this equation. That means what? Transform means what? Now let's say each root is, for example, increased by some k. Okay, simply let's say if each root is increased by k. If each root is increased by k, then what will happen here? Okay, this term you have to remove. What I am saying is each root is increased by k. So 4 roots are there. Now alpha 1 plus k, alpha 2 plus k, so on, alpha 3 plus k, so on. So that means each root is increased by k. So that what happened now? So that third degree x cube term is absent. Okay, here what I did is each root is increased by k, so that x cube term is absent. If each root is increased by k, what is the equation? F of x minus k equal to 0. If you have to get f of x minus k equal to 0, then what you should do? You have to divide with x equal to minus k. X equal to minus k, you have to divide with x equal to minus k actually. So, but if at all you take here minus k, here if at all, no, for example, here you have taken minus k, that means here it will become plus k, here it will become plus k, like that. Okay, all right. So now this condition, if each root is added by minus k, then equation becomes f of x plus k. If at all you have to find out f of x plus k equal to 0, then what you should do? You have to express in terms of x minus k. That means you have to divide the equation with x equal to minus x equal to k. X minus k, you have to divide with x minus k. That means x equal to k. Let's take here. What are the roots? 1, 8, 0, 1, minus 5. All right. So now here this is 0 and this is 1. Here 1 into k. All right. So the next here 8 plus k you get. You see, 8 plus k you get. Here if you do, what you get is here so on you get here. These 3 terms I need not write here. These 3 terms. So here something you get, you add something, you get, you add something, you get, you add here. Because here what I need is this coefficient I want. This coefficient I should make 0, na. So what do I get is f of, like this you get f of x plus k. F of x plus k. What you get f of x plus k? Here some a naught into x plus k whole power 4 you get, plus a1 into x plus k whole power 3 you get. Then a1 I should make 0. a1 if I make 0, then what do I get? Then third degree term is eliminated. That is the thing here. That is the reason I am not doing this, because this is what I should do, na. Where do I get a1 na? I'll get in this line I get a1. So remaining terms are not required. Remaining terms are not required. Or there is another method also. Actually, there is another method also. There is another method. I will tell you that short method is there. Yeah, short method is there. Okay, another method is like this. Okay, I will tell you another method. Now, what did I do? Each root I added with plus k. Each root I added with, here I did. Each root is subtracted. Yeah. So now, whatever may be the roots, okay, roots may be alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4. Now what did I do? Each root I added minus k. Alpha 1 minus k, alpha 2 minus k, alpha 3 minus k, alpha 4 minus k. So now what I want is, now required equation is this one. I want a1 is 0. I want. Now required equation is, what is the required equation with these 4 roots? With these 4 roots, what is the required equation? F of x plus k equal to 0. All right. Then what I know is sum of the roots is aq. See here, x cube coefficient is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots if I take, I will get x cube coefficient. What are the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 minus 4k. This I want 0. You understand? Sum of the roots. See, sum of the roots is a1 by a naught. That I want 0. This I want 0. So here, but sum of the roots already we have. What is the sum of the roots here? Minus 8. Sum of the roots I have is for alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Sum of the roots is what, minus 8. Okay, this minus 8. This is minus 8 minus 4k equal to 0. 4k equal to minus 8. K equal to minus 2. K equal to minus 2, Baba. That means k is minus 2. That means what I added is minus k I added. No, minus k equal to what? 2. So that means each root should be added by 2, so that third degree term will be eliminated. Now you can answer the question very easily. So answer is 2. So that means here each root should be, see, subtracted by what? 2. So now what is the, now question is like this. So I started like this now, x equal to k. Now k value I got minus 2. So therefore k equal to minus 2 I should take, and then I should do it. Simple. So what is that? What are the coefficients? Here I am writing 1 comma 8 comma 0 comma 1 comma minus 5. I wrote again. So I will do it fastly now. See, 1. This is minus 2. This is 6. 6 minus 12. Minus 12 here. This is minus 11. And this is 22. So this becomes what, final remainder is, this is 17. Okay, all right. Again 0. 0 means what you get? 1. This is minus 2. This is 4. And this is minus 8. This is minus 20. And this is 40. And this becomes what, 29. So just I am seeing, that is Yeah. Yeah. I made a mistake. Sorry. Here x plus. Sorry. Just a minute. This is what is minus 55. So this is 12, 2 is 24, this is 25 minus 55, correct. So this is minus 2, all right, this is 4, and this is minus 8, minus 20, and this becomes what? 40, yeah? This is correct only, no?
minus 40.
Why, plus 40 adra, minus 20 into minus 2, plus 40, na? This becomes 65. This becomes 65. So then next what? 0, then this is 1, this is minus 2, this is 2, 2 minus 4, and this becomes minus 24. And then this becomes last 0, this is 1, 2 minus 2, this is 0. You understand this is what is A4, this is A. In this part you get is A4, this part you get is A3, this part you get is A2, this part you get is A1, A1 is 0 we want, this part is A0. So therefore, here to remove the cubic, the third degree term, what did we do? We translated roots. We translated roots by minus roots by minus 2. So therefore, what you get is now translated equation is f of x plus 2 actually. F of x plus 2 is a translated equation. Translated equation wherein f of x plus 2 is, yeah, k value here. This is yeah, k value, but actually you should take x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 you should take. Yeah. So f of x plus 2 is actually the translated equation. One minute. Back we'll go. Yeah. So I'm explaining again once you see x power 4. Now we have to translate this equation so that x cube term is absent. So what did I do is here simply I have taken alpha 1 plus k, alpha 2, alpha 1 minus k. That means I added minus k added so that x cube. I assumed that minus k is added so that x cube term is absent here. Okay, right. Then equation becomes f of x plus k equal to 0 is the required equation. So that means one process what you can do is, now f of x plus k, to find out f of x plus k, you have to express in terms of x minus k. So x minus k terms you have to express. In terms of x minus k, you have to express. To express in terms of x minus k, you have to divide with the x equal to k. That's what you should do. You have to divide with x equal to k. Okay, you have to divide with the x equal to k, you have to divide with. All right. So for that, this is one process is there. You have to keep on doing. This is one process which is applicable for everything. But in this case, you have a shortcut. What is the shortcut? So each root is now, this is what we have done. So therefore, we know some of the roots should be 0 because here a1 should be 0. Cubic equation, this a1, this term should be 0. So therefore, some of the roots should be 0 for the required equation. So therefore, what did I do is here, what is the sum of the roots is this one. Sum of the roots is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 minus 4k is 0. So that is what we got here. This one we have, that is minus 8. So k equal to minus 2 I got. K equal to minus 2. So therefore here required equation is f of x plus k equal to 0 is the required equation. F of x plus k is the required equation. This is minus 2. Yeah. F of x plus k equal to 0 is the required equation. So that is f of x minus 2 equal to 0. So f of x minus 2 is I want. If I want f of x minus 2, I want. So f of x minus 2 means what? I should express in terms of x plus 2. That means I should divide with x equal to minus 2. That means x plus 2 is the divisor. So by which you get this one. So f of x minus 2 is what I got now. F of x minus 2. What is that I got? F of x minus 2. I'm writing here, you see. 1x power 4 plus 0x cube, next minus 24x square plus 65x minus 55. equal to 0. This is what I got. Hope you understand. F of x minus 2 is this. Okay, why I divided with x plus 2? I want x minus 2, no? That means I should express this in terms of x plus 2. If I express in terms of x plus 2, then I can substitute x minus 2 in the place of x, so that this 2 gets cut. Okay, but actually you don't need all that. Very simple thing you can do. What is that? So you take either plus k or minus k, you take plus k or minus k, you take. Then you do sum of the roots 0, then you will get. Otherwise, what is the process? The process is like this. Here x cube term, therefore we used a shortcut. If at all you want x square term should be eliminated, then what you should do is you have to do another method. What is that? This method you should do. So you should do this one, then you have to find out this one. This part I want 0, so second step you will get this part. Then that part you have to, whenever you get this reminder, that part you can make 0. Okay, hope you understood this part. You understood here. Okay.